Rais, msalimie kidogo pia. Pole. Salimia pia katibu rais wala.
Executive activity, followed by our want to tell you we have had a very successful General Assembly as mature people who believe in football, not politicians. Talk. These are football people. We have done our General Assembly and we have brought on board a new team of officials that will take this council to the next level. I want to take this opportunity to inform you that we have also had other deliberations, all aimed at improving the welfare of the zone and improving our football as a whole. In this regard, I will not say much because the incoming president has a lot to say. I don't want to cut his speech. All that I would have said is contained in his speech, and I will request you to listen to him and see and hear our new president.
Here we conclude our terms. I think now we have very successful General Assembly. Before that, this morning also, we held the meeting of our executive committee, and our message that we want to say here in our town, in Cecafa, we are together, we are one body, we are coming for this election with only one candidate as a president. Is Mr. Nicholas, he is Mr. Karia, the president of Tanzania, and I will give him the floor to address his way and all the best and all the best wishes for him to develop the football in our zone. Welcome, Mr.
Cecafa, Dr. Vice President, and also ESCO member CAP, General Secretary, Federation President, Vice Presidents of the Imam Association, General Secretary, our beautiful game of football is after. Ladies and gentlemen, Association Cecafa, and the General Secretary, and the Cecafa Secretary led by Mr. Nicholas Musoni for organizing the General Assembly today. I take this opportunity to humble myself before you and thank all of you for entrusting me with the top leadership of Cecafa as the president for the next 4 years. It is an honor that I have taken with humility, knowing very well that you will single me out from many other able leaders to be your servant with obedience. My dear colleague, I would like to thank you for giving me the mandate to serve you without going through the challenge of election. You've done this through your own consistentness and the trust you have in me. I salute you all. You've shown your trust in me and your respect that trust by servicing you diligently, honestly, transparent, and observing things of our constitution and with respect to all of you and those contributing to the game of football in our Cecafa zone. Ladies and gentlemen, may you also allow me to thank our outgoing Cecafa President, Dr. Mutasim Gafa, for holding our organization together and serving us with devotion and dedication for the past 4 years. For me, myself, maybe I'll not be here if he is not he who approached me and requested me to contest for the Cecafa Expo. Thank you, my President. I will not let you down. We shall always appreciate your contribution and effort towards Cecafa, all aimed at the development of the football in this region. We shall still need your word of wisdom, and we shall not hesitate to consult and tap into your experience and to guide us in running administration of the Cecafa. I promise to ensure that we remain one of the pillars of Cecafa that we shall count on as we start our new journey today. As we move forward in the next journey of transformation in the region, I would like to ask all of you to be aware that servant leadership is a call that entails sacrifice and commitment. I want to assure you that the new team will commit itself to ensure that the leadership of Cecafa is all-inclusive organization that welcomes different ideologies to be shared with football, intended to move forward as one family. I would like to accept my new call with the promise that I commit myself to serve all of you without bias. We shall draw on the talent we have in our region. Use our experts to ensure that we run our organization for good in the future to the new generations. As we move into another era, we shall look into our programs and be very strategic in which competition we are going to put emphasis on in order to develop our region. In this regard, I want to thank FIFA for the FIFA Forward program and CAF for enabling us to utilize the FIFA resource to organize youth and human competition in our zone. We shall continue to engage with CAF and FIFA to ensure that we utilize this program well to the benefit of our zone. My dear colleague, may I also take this opportunity to thank and congratulate our MOA for hosting and participating in various competitions. This year alone, we've organized 6 competitions in 5 months. This is not a small achievement. In this regard, I wish to thank our General Secretary and his backbone staff for hard working and commitment they have exhibited under difficult conditions. Ladies and gentlemen, we are all aware that Cecafa, like any other organization, faces a cocktail of challenges. For us to overcome this challenge, we must have a sense of collective responsibility, which calls for honor of our obligations. Commitment, respecting our statutes, and valuing ideas of Cecafa. One of the major challenges facing today is lack of commitment from some members' association to change this attitude and commit to work also and build a culture of inclusivity and comprehensiveness. Another challenge facing Cecafa today is lack of resources to run our football events, partners to enable us to run our activity without constant football in this region is capable of attracting corporate sponsorship. In conclusion, I also wish to reiterate that new team that you have given the mandate today will work with devotion and make Cecafa strong and united. We will count on your support to achieve this. Wishing you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May God bless you all. Thank you.
As the new president of Cecafa preparations on the next host of our competitions, the senior challenge players and senior women challenge cup will be hosted by one. Djibouti will host the inaugural under 16, and Uganda will host the under 20 women and Tanzania will be the host of the Carmen Club Cup competition. I want to thank you very much. And being here are enough to cover our general assembly. Burundi is hosting under 20 men and under 17 women in a place called Makamba. So I want to thank you. And I want to thank you, all the members of the Congress. Be with us, support the new president and the team for the next 4 years so that we can realize our
Finish the Congress president. Maybe they all ask the new president. انت تقوم اعمل لك على درجه 12 درجه شهر كمان.
At Cecafa, we got a new executive committee elected. Mr. Karia Wallace, who is the president of the Tanzania Federation, takes over the chairmanship. We as members of the CAF executive committee coming from this region of Cecafa will definitely give them maximum support to make sure that they make reforms and make changes that will make Cecafa better. Cecafa, we used to get known because of organizing competitions. I'm very excited that this year a number of competitions have been organized by Cecafa. We believe that with the new team, yes, there are challenges, but we'll give them the maximum support. And Uganda is one of the founder members of Cecafa, so we'll always give our best to support the organization. Akakulira Cecafa akapya kalondeddwa nga mwami Wallace Karia president w'omupiira mu nsi ya Tanzania yalondeddwa nga president wa Cecafa ngadda mu bigere ebyo yabaddewo owa Sudan Tamtasi kalina emyaka 4 okukola omulimu. Cecafa twali tumanyiddwa okuba nti ku lukalu lwa Africa fe abaali bateekateeka empaka naye tubadde tuzzeemu emabega tukikiriza naye tusuubira nti ffe nga bamemba b'executive abatula ku CAF abava mu kitundu kino tujja kuwagira executive eno ate Uganda ffe tubamu abatandikawo Cecafa kitukakatako tusuubira nti okugenda mu maaso wajja kubaawo enkyukakyuka mu nteekateeka y'empaka n'emirimu okuba nti Cecafa ekyukamu tukimanyi bulungi ni CAF yakyusizaamuko twali mu executive twasalawo nti twongereko ku nsimbi twongereko n'okuyamba mu nteekateeka. General Secretary wa Cecafa n'abakozi bagenda kuba basasulwa CAF directly close and bijja kwongeramu ebbugumu bubeere nti tusobola okuteekateeka empaka ennungi.